Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. It is week number 6 of my fitness vlog, and this week is very short and I did not film a lot, and that is because it was the week of the Texas snowstorm slash outages, the blackouts. So I did not have power and I wasn't doing much. It was very cold in my house and I spent most of the time under a lot of blankets, not moving. So I couldn't really make warm meals. I made 1 or 2 throughout the week when I had like a 10-minute span of power. But other than that, I ate Rice Krispie treats, nuts, and bananas because that's really all I had that didn't need to be cooked. You know, I wasn't going to upload this video because honestly, I was in very bad spirits by the end of it. I didn't do a whole lot during this week to move me towards my goals, but sometimes that happens, so I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into it.
I'm looking up from my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow, I don't make a sound when I shut the door.
So Planet Fitness was closed because of the weather, and I came over to my mom's and I worked out inside the house because the garage is freezing. Now I'm hot from the workout, so it feels okay, but I'm still proud that I tried. But I drove on like the icy roads to get there, and then they were closed and I just had to drive back home. And I had already taken pre-workout, so I was like, I have to work out right now.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room, we'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone, we'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
This is literally the weirdest experience ever, but I'm on my way to my mom's and I'm taking snacks and some games because John is still sleeping. Okay, we're crossing the street. But yeah, Texas doesn't really get snow. It gets ice sometimes, but this is like, I could build a snowman. This is a lot of snow. But it doesn't stop me from making my way to my mom's. I bundled up. I have 2 pairs of pants, 2 shirts, my jacket, gloves, and a hat. And I bet my mom's still gonna ask me why I didn't wear a scarf. You know how moms are. So much love, but I'm almost to her house. So just wanted to catch in because this is crazy.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing.
That's all I could do.
Baby, go slower.
I was going slow.
You don't have to
Super.
wake up yet.
Pull yourself back up.
We can spend all day in bed.
Okay, we had power long enough for me to finally make chicken and rice. I'm so excited to dig into this hot bowl. And that was week number 6. Thank you so much for watching. There's not a whole lot to say about it, but I'll see you guys next time. I promise that next week's video will be much more motivating and a lot more progress will be made, and I'm very excited to share that one with you. So I hope you'll come back for it, and I'll see you guys next time.